Hi everyone, my name is Choudhary Tavia Islam. I've come in to get my teeth done at Dentafly in Antalya in Turkey. This is the final result. I have had all my teeth shaven and individual crowns been fitted, and I've had 4 implants fitted on my teeth where there was teeth missing. I just had enough not having teeth basically. So I decided to get my teeth done last year because one of my teeth kept falling out and I thought I've got to get this fixed. I've reached out to a couple of companies in Turkey, but 2 got back to me. One was really expensive. This Dentafly, their price was really good. So I got in touch with them. They was very quick getting back to me. They went through the process with me, basic, what should be happening. And then I booked my flight, got here. I am going to be honest, when I first got here, I didn't feel like they were very organised, but I made myself heard and I said I wasn't happy with this, that. But this is my second trip. Everything's done. And they've been really, really good. They've looked at what I wanted done, and especially one of the ladies here, Fatma, I hope it's okay to say, she's been absolutely amazing. She's looked after me, and I said, look, please sis, just help me out. And they've been absolutely brilliant. So if you're not very sure, keep asking questions, because if you ask questions, you're going to get the answer. And I'm very much on point with things, but they've been amazing. So yeah, I recommend Dentafly.
Thank you.
That was great.
Oh God.